heading out to the trail. I wish I could remember the name of the trail that we're heading to, but I can't. But it's about a 45-minute drive from where the range was, so we will be there, well, you'll be there shortly, but I'll be there in about 45 minutes. All right, so I'm pretty excited. We're about 15 minutes from the trail. This is honestly exciting in more ways than one. You know, one, we're almost there, but the other is that this is the first trail outside of Kansas City that I'm gonna be recording and taking shots of. So I think that's pretty cool. Also, I've got some buddies that'll be there with me. Hey everybody, we're at Bluff Ridge Trail in Harry S. Truman State Park. So hopefully we'll see some pretty cool stuff. Again, David and Benny are with me. They're ahead of me, but let's see what we can find. They are hanging out. So far it's been pretty good. Lots of poison ivy though, so be careful if you're gonna do this trail. But thankfully it's bright red because of fall. We spent about 2 or 3 minutes trying to fix that sign, and probably made it worse. I'm just kidding, I don't think we made it worse, but we definitely didn't fix it. So I don't know, hopefully we see something that looks nicer than that sign. It's getting a little darker. So you know, in the sense that, you know, getting lost is a possibility, which it's not. We're not gonna get lost. But if it did, we were deciding who would be best to eat. I quickly recommended David, but that backfired, and they decided that I was probably gonna be more tasty. So the trail's been really pretty. I really enjoyed seeing the sights. The lake was beautiful. That overlook was just magnificent. If you have the opportunity, you really need to get down here, especially while the leaves are changing. It's just majestic. The breeze feels wonderful. All right, let's go ahead and get back. It's getting dark. And we could walk out here in the dark, but I really don't want to. It's getting dark, but we're heading back, so we're gonna make pretty good time. We're over halfway done. We're getting close to 3/4, which is about 1.5 miles, and then got about 4/4 of a mile after that. So, hey everybody, it's Tim. I'm back at my home, and we actually had to cut the video a little bit on that one. And the reason being is that as we continued going down the trail, the darkness of the woods was actually impacting the video. And it impacted it so much that the GoPro didn't know how to react to it very well. So that's probably more of a issue with me, more so than the GoPro itself. I probably could have like increased the ISO or something on the GoPro and maybe had some better results. But basically what happened was it was just shaking like crazy, and I don't know if that has to do with like the stabilization of the GoPro not like recognizing what was going on because it was so dark, but it was just unwatchable. And it was the noise, the audio was good on it, but everything else was just unpleasant to view. So here we are. We do have some more pictures to show off, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. But I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time. Have a good one.